Okay, so right here, I'm just making sure that the water is really hot before I stop up the sink. Now I'm just stopping up the sink to make sure the water doesn't go out. I'm gonna put my brushes in and my beauty blenders. And then I'm going to add some soap. Any soap that you all like. Nothing in particular. I used, I forgot the name of that soap, but I used some type of soap. I'm just going to rub them around. And once you see like the hot water and the soap does wonders already, the makeup is already leaving the brushes and the sponges. And I haven't even really done anything yet. So I'm just twirling it around, squeezing the sponges, getting the dirt out. You see that water got so dirty? But basically that's it. And I kind of just let the brushes and the sponges sit for like 30 minutes or 45 minutes or whatever, just to get all the dirt out. I add more hot water or soap, whatever I need, kind of swing it around again, just making sure it's touching everything. And that's pretty much it. After it sit for like an hour or 30 minutes, however long you want it to sit, the longer you let it sit, the more dirt will come out when you don't really have to do much work. After I let it sit, I just go back over it with a little soap if I have to, but majority of the time I don't. And I just rinse it out and I let them dry overnight. That's pretty much it, you all. Yeah. It's very simple, very quick.